I did so many things today, guys, that are vlog worthy, but I just kind of wasn't feeling like vlogging, so I'm gonna vlog this little bit. I'm gonna try to make some of the whipped coffee and see if it'll work with the hand mix, so let's see. So whatever YouTube video I just watched, guys, she said it took 3 minutes to whisk by hand. I can say it does take a lot longer than 3 minutes, but it's kind of whip-like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a cup and make the coffee. Let's get you a better angle. So this is how it looks right here. It's a little bit whippy. So this is how the whipped coffee turned out, guys. We'll see how it tastes. Alright, guys, let's see how this coffee tastes. I hope it tastes good. It tastes like milk. I'm just drinking straight up milk right now. Maybe I gotta stir this a little bit more. Let's see. Give it a good stir. We're using a boba straw. I'm just drinking the milk, guys, straight up. People said, oh, this tastes like peanut butter and it's so sweet. Mine's not the sweetest. It tastes kind of bitter. I think I need to just stir this in more, guys, and try it. But it doesn't taste good. It tastes like I'm drinking milk or some tart coffee. It just looks cute for an Instagram, let's be honest. It's Instagram worthy, but is it good? No. Don't really love it, but wanted to try the little whipped coffee trend because everyone's been doing it when we're bored in the house bored. Also, do we love this tripod of bread and tortilla chips? Making something super easy, guys, for a little snack because I want something. So it's peanut butter toast with a banana, and I open it on the upside down, kind of like a monkey does. Ever since I learned about that, I just love opening it up this way. So I just open this up. Gonna cut some banana slices and put them on the bread. The finished product, guys. Nothing too crazy, but this is so good. I used to eat this so much when I was little and just craving a little. Guys, my pets, I've had my cat I rescued for about 2 years. They go psycho on each other. They cannot get along. And she's on her little horny time, so she's being all sweet right now, Maleficent. And they're super close, so I wonder if they're gonna fight. But I just wish they would get along. It's been so long. She's either nice, the dog looks like it's gonna be nice, and then it attacks her, or vice versa. They just can't have peace. They got a little feud going on, and I don't understand. I do not understand. Say hi, Maleficent. You're so pretty. Oh, now you're getting jealous, Maisie? Ooh, the fight's gonna begin. Hey guys, we got a little mimosa, and this is a Morningstar breakfast sandwich my dad got us some. I wonder if these are gonna be good. Let's see.
Kobe or Cody, something like that. Yeah, just try plug it back in if you can get it in there.
Oh, my mom's right.
See if that will.
It kind of tastes like the McDonald's sandwich. And put some jam in it.
There's something on that computer.
I love putting jam on these things, guys, and I've missed eating these breakfast sandwiches from McDonald's because I've been vegetarian for almost 3 years. And just have been missing this kind of food.
Oh, there isn't?
This is so cool. Let's see.
Damn. So how far
The final
you
touch.
on Euclid right
Mmm.
now? Like
I need some hash browns. I got some in the freezer. This is so good, guys. Mmm. New vegetarian hat.
Well, try doing that brain thing and see what happens. If you can get
Cheers.
it shouldn't be hard to unplug.
Just love my brother so much right now, guys. Get the photos. I'm doing a little recreating Instagram photos, guys. I have a little folder I save pictures, and since we're in core and it's really bored, I'm just going ahead and doing that little video because I've always wanted to do it. And I got a couple little book pictures for my book account too. I'm just getting so much content thanks to my little brother. I'm feeling a little bit better, and the sun's gonna literally be here for today, guys, and then it's gonna rain for another 3 days. So we've been having so much rain and snow. I don't know if you can see off in the street, that white stuff is all snow, and we just keep on having poop weather. So I'm just gonna take advantage, get some content, so when it's on snowy, rainy days, I got some content. But oh, I'm so happy. Thanks. I got the most awesome pictures. Alright guys, I won this giveaway on Instagram from Crystals and Love with 2 dots in between them. I'll have the username right here, but I won this giveaway and I'm so excited, guys. It says you have the power to change the world, so I guess I got this cute little card and the grand finale, the crystal that I won. I won a rose quartz heart, so let's open this up. It's cute. There's a little heart right here. Let's cut this open. This one's gonna be perfect, guys, because if you follow me, you know I have that big one, but this one can just be portable in my hand. Here it is. It's a cute little pink rose quartz heart. Super tiny, but can work with it and even carry it around in my pocket. So thanks. I'm so happy I won that. And I got some tofu soup right now, guys. I totally cooked this from scratch. It's so good. Oh, that's a bottle of rice. It's so good, guys. I was just joking. My mom made it, but it's so good. Yum. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I kind of want to vlog because I haven't vlogged since everything's been in self-isolation, but it's kind of sad, so I never really vlogged. But I'm gonna get some ingredients so I can make some food, get some vegetables and all that good stuff. And there's a beetle. So my Witch's Moon box came in, so I'm super excited to get that and unbox it, guys. Ooh, time to go into town. This is all the groceries I got, guys. Time to go pay. So time to go pay. This is crazy. Quarantine grocery shopping. This is so crazy, guys. Look at the post office with the clear wrap. Like, what? This is so crazy. They got a huge, like, clear shower curtain covering the whole thing. Like, what? We're still gonna touch the same package, so it's kind of silly, but craziness. Might vlog a little bit cooking with me today, guys. We're gonna heat up this pizza. It's a really yummy pizza, guys. Where's the box? I don't even know where it went. I think my sister took it, but it's vegetarian, and I just put some more marinara sauce on it. Thanks, Tiffany. So this is the pizza, guys, and they never have enough sauce, so I put more like marinara sauce on it. Gonna cook this so I can eat this and start cooking some food. Also, I'm gonna start offering some stuff to the Ascended Masters too. Right now, guys, I'm gonna make Vietnamese pickle vegetable to eat with my stinky meat and all those good things. So let's get the pickling going. So I got the vegetables all cut and layered up, guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pour the mixture inside and let this baby do its thing and ferment. Pouring in all the liquid, guys. There we go, and we can shake this baby up. So right now, guys, I'm washing all these vegetables because I'm gonna make some lasagna. I'm gonna cook these noodles. I am getting the water heat up, so we're gonna boil this and make our food. Giving the mushrooms a good rinse right now, guys. Getting these all clean. And right now, guys, I'm just gonna cook the pasta noodles so I can have some yummy lasagna. So I can confirm cooking's a pain in the ass, guys. So taking so much work, but noodles are done. These veggies are done. Now I'm cooking the spinach, and then I'm gonna cook the ground meat, and we're gonna layer everything together and make the darn lasagna. But it's taken a lot of time, guys, and what time is it? It's like 4:11, so it's been a couple hours in the kitchen. We made the pickle vegetable for Asian food, and now time to make the lasagna. And put all this together. The struggle of cooking, guys. The onions are making me cry. I was really trying to get to cook. I feel like death, guys, but at least this is not an Emma Chamberlain fail. The lasagna came out great with the help of my mom, so got all the instructions, and ta-da! The lasagna is done, guys. I can't wait to eat it later, but I'm gonna go sleep and knock out because I am super tired, and the little pickle vegetable's doing its thing in the corner. Gonna go knock out now.